Hey guys, to claim money from the Kraken Referral program, you and your friend must first complete the specific requirements, after which the bonus will be deposited into your Kraken account, often within 21 days. After the bonus is deposited, you can claim it by withdrawing the funds from your Kraken account to your bank account or another wallet. Okay, so you must first sign up and get your referral link. You can click the gifting or offers at the top right next to the notifications and see exactly if you have a referral program. Okay, complete the requirements. Your friend must sign up using your link and meet the specific terms of the referral offer, which usually involves making a qualifying deposit in a trade. You can monitor your progress in the referrals dashboard. Wait for the bonus to be deposited. After your friend completes the requirements, the bonus will be deposited into your Kraken account. This can take at least 21 days according to the program's terms. Then you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or another wallet. So you can find it in the portfolio right here if you earn from your referral program. So you're going to choose the asset you want to withdraw and follow the instructions and set to send it to an external bank or wallet. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.